Hi guys! Welcome to Best Friend's Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos.
Today, we're going to show you how to make a special Bibingka Loaf. So here are the ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan natin! Una, painitan nyo lang yung dahon ng saging sa mahinang apoy. Makakatulong ang prosesong ito para lumambot yung saging at madali nyo siyang ma-fold sa mga molder. Pagkatapos, iset aside nyo muna yung mga molder at prepare na natin yung batter. Sa isang mixing bowl, mag-crack lang kayo ng 4 na itlog. Then, i-add nyo na yung melted butter. Tapos, i-whisk nyo lang ito hanggang sa maging well combined. After that, i-add nyo na rin yung 2 cups of sugar at i-continue nyo lang yung paghalo. Then, i-add nyo na rin yung coconut milk at ang evaporated milk at i-continue nyo lang yung paghalo hanggang sa maging well incorporated. At ngayon, i-add nyo na yung mga dry ingredients, gaya ng glutinous rice flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, at ang salt. Pagkatapos, haluin nyo lang itong mabuti at i-make sure na wala itong lumps. By the way guys, pwede rin kayo mag-add ng cheese sa batter, pero this is only optional. Kapag ready na yung batter, mag-start na kayo maglagay ng batter sa bawat molder. By the way, naglagay kami ng 2 cups of batter sa bawat isang molder. After that, maglagay na kayo ng salted egg and cheese para sa toppings. Then, bake it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes.
By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.
So, eto na yung magiging itsura ng bibingka natin after baking. Kung balak nyo itong ibenta, pwede kayong gumamit ng ganitong box para sa packaging. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Pakishare na rin ang video ito para everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.